Mistplay and Ibotta are designed for completely different types of users, so the easier app depends on how you earn rewards. One centers on mobile gaming, while the other focuses on shopping and grocery savings. By the end of this video, you'll know how each app works, which one takes less effort for your routine, and which is the better choice for your situation. Start with Mistplay. Mistplay is built for Android users who enjoy playing mobile games. After installing the app, you choose eligible games from the catalog, launch them through Mistplay, and earn rewards for qualifying gameplay and completed milestones. Once everything is set up, the process is straightforward, because most of your time is spent playing games rather than completing additional tasks. Now compare that with Ibotta. Ibotta is designed around shopping instead of gaming. You browse available offers, purchase qualifying products from participating retailers, and submit your receipt or complete the required verification process to receive rewards where applicable. If you already shop regularly and don't mind checking offers before buying, the workflow becomes part of your normal shopping routine. So which app feels easier? If you already spend time playing mobile games every week, Mistplay usually requires less effort because you're earning while doing something you already enjoy. You don't have to plan shopping trips or search for eligible products. You simply play supported games through the app and track your progress. If you're already buying groceries and household items, Ibotta may feel easier because it fits into purchases you're making anyway. Instead of spending time gaming, you spend a few moments checking available offers and verifying eligible purchases. The biggest difference is what each app asks you to do. Mistplay rewards gameplay. Ibotta rewards qualifying shopping activity. Neither approach is universally easier because they fit completely different daily habits. Before deciding, think about what you're more likely to do consistently. An app only feels simple if it matches your existing routine. If you rarely play mobile games, Mistplay won't seem convenient. If you dislike checking shopping offers and saving receipts, Ibotta probably won't either. Here's the quick recap. Choose Mistplay if you prefer earning through mobile gaming. Choose Ibotta if you're more interested in saving money on everyday shopping. The easier app is the one that fits naturally into what you're already doing. If this comparison helped you decide, subscribe for more reward app comparisons, reviews, and simple troubleshooting guides.